So tell us what's going on here right now, Eva.
So,
Take us from the very beginning. What happened?
so I asked my mom if I can do experiment with an egg, and
Mm-hmm.
she said go get an egg, and she got a bowl, and then I put the egg in the bowl, and then I poured vinegar in the bowl, and then you have to wait for 24 hours, and you have to look and see if it's ready or not.
So tell us, what was the whole idea behind the experiment? What did you want to see happen?
I wanted to see how it works.
So what is it that we had to see that it worked? What is vinegar supposed to do to the egg?
It's supposed to get all the eggshells off.
So it's supposed to make the eggshells disappear, right? And what happened 24 hours later?
Can't you see the egg got a little bit fatter and taller?
Mm-hmm. Where is the eggshell?
It disappeared.
It did? So describe the feel of your egg. What does it feel like?
It feels smooth.
Mm-hmm.
It feels soft. It's squishy, and there's this is
Kind of rubbery.
kind of rubbery.
What is the name of that rubbery substance?
Membrane.
It's a membrane, right?
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now? What's it soaking in?
Water, so it can make fatter.
So it make it fatter? Yeah.
And
How does the size of this egg compare to a regular egg?
So the what we started was, it was like a little egg. It was white. It was tiny, and then it came big.
It got really big, right?
Yeah.
So what did we learn about the shell of the egg? What kind of chemical is it made of? What kind of surface is it made of? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. And in the vinegar, it has acid in it, right? And so what happens when the acid and the calcium carbonate meet? What happens? What kind of gas does it make? Carbon dioxide. How did we know the carbon dioxide was forming? What did we first see when we poured the vinegar in with the egg? What did we see on the eggshell?
Bubbles, so it can the eggshell will come off very easily.
Right. So the little bubbles all over the eggshell when it was soaking in the vinegar, that was the gas it was forming, the carbon dioxide. Sorry, all my science teachers. And so the reason why the egg is a little bigger is through a process called osmosis. Right. And the vinegar and the water got into the egg, correct? Through the
Memory.
membrane.
Membrane.
The membrane. And so we learned that we can make the egg even bigger, right?
Yeah. We got this, and we were just setting it in so it can get fat and big.
Right. This is 100%
Water.
Water, right? So what did you think about the entire experiment?
It was kind of fun.
It was?
It was not fun. It was really fun.
Awesome. What do you want to tell your friends out there that want to try this?
You maybe want to try this because it's really fun, but you might not want to wait for 24 hours. That'll be a day.
You kind of have to wait a day. You mean
2 days.
You mean you need to have a little patience, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
I need a little patience because I've been asking and asking.
Right. If you can touch the egg, right?
Yeah. And I was holding it and see if it's ready or not.
That's pretty cool. Well, thanks for sharing.
You maybe want to try this at home.
So what also could happen to the egg is it still squishy inside?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's like a rubber ball, right?
Yeah.
But can it break?
Yes.
It can. What does it look like inside if we break it?
It'll look all yellow. It'll just look like an egg.
It's kind of messy. So basically, if you're going to break it, make sure you do it
in the sink.
In the sink. Yeah, that's a good idea. All right. Well, thank you for sharing your experiment with us.
Bye.